Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. The story that I have for you today, a 28-year-old man from Mashayenge near Forestburg in the Free State had been arrested following the discovery of his 6-year-old biological son's body hidden under a bed. The child was last seen on Thursday, 29 January 2026, when the father allegedly assaulted him with a wooden stick in the presence of the grandmother. The child's body was discovered on Sunday, 1 February 2026 at approximately 22:11 a.m. by a community member who entered the suspect's residence. The body had visible bruises. The father is expected to appear in the Forestburg Magistrate Court on Tuesday, 3 February 2026, facing a charge of murder. Police reported that when the grandmother previously questioned the father's actions during the assault, he claimed he could do as he pleased with his child. Now that answers the question of what the grandmother did when this was happening. This father deserves to be punished. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this story. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.